The Scaled Composites Model 351 Stratolaunch is an aircraft built for Stratolaunch Systems by Scaled Composites to carry air launch to orbit rockets. The twin fuselage design is the aircraft with the longest wingspan ever flown at 385 feet, surpassing the Hughes H-4 Hercules flying boat of 321 feet. The Stratolaunch is intended to carry a 550,000-pound payload and has a 1,300,000-pound maximum takeoff weight. The Tupolev Tu-160 is a supersonic variable sweep wing heavy strategic bomber designed by the Tupolev Design Bureau in the Soviet Union in the 1970s. It is the largest and heaviest Mach 2 plus supersonic military aircraft ever built, and second only to the XB-70 Valkyrie in overall length. It is the largest and heaviest combat aircraft, the fastest bomber now in use, and the largest and heaviest variable sweep wing airplane ever flown. The Lockheed C-5M Super Galaxy is a large military transport aircraft originally designed and built by Lockheed, and now maintained and upgraded by its successor, Lockheed Martin. It provides the United States Air Force, USAF, with a heavy intercontinental range strategic airlift capability, one that can carry outsized and oversized loads, including all air certifiable cargo. The Galaxy has many similarities to the smaller Lockheed C-141 Starlifter and the later Boeing C-17 Globemaster III. The C-5M Super Galaxy is among the largest military aircraft in the world. The Antonov An-22 Ante is a heavy military transport aircraft designed by the Antonov Design Bureau in the Soviet Union. Powered by 4 turboprop engines, each driving a pair of contra-rotating propellers, the design was the first wide-body transport aircraft and remains the world's largest turboprop-powered aircraft to date. The An-22 has seen extensive use in major military and humanitarian airlifts for the Soviet Union. The Antonov An-225 Mriya is a strategic airlift. The airlifter holds the absolute world records for an airlifted single-item payload of 418,830 pounds and an airlifted total payload of 253,820 kilograms. It has also transported a payload of 545,000 pounds on a commercial flight. The Boeing 747 Dreamlifter, also known as the Boeing 747-400 Large Cargo Freighter, LCF, is a wide-body cargo aircraft. At 65,000 cubic feet, 1,840 cubic meters, the Dreamlifter can hold 3 times the volume of a 747-400F freighter. Cargo is placed in the aircraft by the world's longest cargo loader. It is an extensively modified Boeing 747-400 that is used exclusively for transporting Boeing 787 Dreamliner aircraft components to Boeing's assembly plants from suppliers around the world.